Welcome to Sparkle Nomad, your ultimate guide to exploring the world with a touch of sparkle. Today, we're diving into the City of Lights with 10 best things to do in Paris to experience the magic like a local. Get ready to uncover hidden gems and savor Paris like a true Parisian. Number 10. Luxembourg Gardens. Located in the heart of Paris, the Luxembourg Gardens are a must-visit. This oasis of tranquility spans over 60 acres. It's perfect for a peaceful escape from the bustling city. The gardens were created in 1612 by Marie de Medici. They surround the Luxembourg Palace, which now houses the French Senate. The gardens blend French and English styles, offering diverse landscapes. The Medici Fountain is a must-see. It's a stunning piece of Baroque art. The large pond in front of Luxembourg Gardens is a charming oasis where miniature sailboats glide, ducks paddle, and Parisians and tourists alike find serene joy amidst the picturesque reflections of history and nature. The gardens are home to over 100 statues and monuments such as the iconic Statue of Liberty replica. Number 9. Champs-Élysées. The Champs-Élysées is often called the most beautiful avenue in the world. It stretches 1.2 miles from Place de la Concorde to the Arc de Triomphe. The Champs-Élysées was originally fields and market gardens. It was transformed into a grand avenue in the 17th century. Today, it's a symbol of Parisian elegance and grandeur. The Champs-Élysées is a shopper's paradise. You'll find luxury brands like Louis Vuitton and Cartier. There are also flagship stores of global brands like Zara and H&M. Feeling hungry? The Champs-Élysées offers a feast for foodies. Enjoy a meal at one of the many elegant brasseries. Savor a coffee at a charming cafe and watch the world go by. Number 8. Parisian cuisine. Paris is a food lover's paradise. Start your day with a traditional Parisian breakfast. Enjoy a flaky croissant or a pain au chocolat. Pair it with a café au lait for the perfect start to your day. Try an assortment of pastries like eclairs and macaroons. These treats are a slice of heaven. Number 7. Vintage markets. Paris is famous for its bustling flea markets. You'll find a treasure trove of antiques and collectibles. It's a paradise for vintage lovers. Head to the Marché aux Puces de Saint-Ouen. It's one of the largest flea markets in the world. You'll find everything from vintage clothing to rare antiques. It's the perfect place to hunt for unique souvenirs. Number 6. Eiffel Tower. Did you know the Eiffel Tower shrinks in winter? It can be 6 inches shorter due to the cold. Also, it's repainted every 7 years. The Eiffel Tower is the symbol of Paris. It was constructed for the 1889 World's Fair. Standing at 324 meters, it's a marvel of engineering. The Eiffel Tower is made of iron. It weighs about 10,000 tons. It consists of 3 levels accessible to visitors. Visiting the Eiffel Tower is a must. But we're not doing it the typical tourist way. Skip the long lines. Opt for a picnic at Champ de Mars. Visit at sunrise or sunset for a breathtaking view with fewer crowds. It's a magical experience. Number 5. Montmartre. Montmartre has a rich history. It was home to famous artists like Picasso and Van Gogh. Montmartre oozes artistic charm. Street performers entertain visitors. Art studios and galleries line the streets. The Basilica of Sacré-Cœur is a highlight. It sits atop Montmartre Hill. The view from the top is breathtaking. Visit Place du Tertre, a lively square. It's filled with artists painting and sketching. You can even get your portrait done. Montmartre is also famous for its cabarets and theaters. The legendary Moulin Rouge started here. These venues were gathering spots for writers, musicians, and freethinkers. Number 4. Le Marais. The architecture in Le Marais is stunning. You'll find beautifully preserved medieval and Renaissance buildings. The area is a feast for the eyes with its historic mansions and cobblestone streets. Le Marais is also known for its vibrant Jewish quarter. This area is rich in history and culture. Le Marais is not just about history. It's also one of the trendiest areas in Paris. You'll find a mix of fashion, art, and innovative cuisine. The cafe culture in Le Marais is thriving. Sit back and enjoy a coffee at one of the many charming cafes. It's the perfect way to soak in the atmosphere. Number 3. The Louvre. The Louvre is the world's largest art museum. It's located in the heart of Paris along the Seine. The Louvre wasn't always a museum. It began as a fortress in the 12th century. Later, it became a royal palace before transforming into a museum in 1793. The Louvre is famous for its glass pyramid entrance. Designed by I.M. Pei, it's a modern contrast to the historic building. The pyramid has become an iconic symbol of the museum. The most famous painting in the Louvre is the Mona Lisa. Most tourists rush to see the Mona Lisa. They miss out on other treasures. Visit early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid the crowds. Take a stroll through lesser-known sections. Explore the Egyptian antiquities or the decorative arts. Number 2. The Seine. The Seine is the heart and soul of Paris. This iconic river flows through the city for over 13 kilometers. Many of Paris's iconic landmarks are along the Seine. You'll see Notre Dame Cathedral, the Eiffel Tower, and the Louvre. The river offers the best views of these famous sites. Nothing beats a romantic stroll along this beautiful river. For a unique experience, take a bateau mouche boat tour at night. The reflections on the water are pure magic. Number 1. Parisian nightlife. Paris is magical at night. Iconic landmarks are beautifully illuminated. The Eiffel Tower sparkles, and the Seine glows with reflections. Rooftop bars offer stunning views of the city. Sip cocktails while admiring panoramic vistas. It's the perfect way to start your evening. Jazz and live music venues are a staple of Parisian nightlife. Head to a cabaret show at the Moulin Rouge for an unforgettable evening. Paris comes alive at night, and there's something for everyone. And there you have it, fellow nomads. If you loved our adventure, give us a thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to keep up with our next sparkling escapade.